90-degree machine bend. Advantages: solid piece of pipe over the fittings. 2 joints could be potential leak. I want to bend it accurately. 190 mils to the centre, 200 mil long. So I've cut a piece of pipe 390 mils, then I'm going to mark it up. I use a measuring tape from one end. I mark the centre line here to here, 190 mil. The big tip is put an X on the side you want to keep. That will always go on the hook side of the bending machine. The bending machine's in a vise. It takes 2 free hands to use the pipe, use the machine, and the guide. The X that I've got on it goes on the hook, then goes in, hook goes up, holds on, 15 mil guide, 15 mil wheel, put the guide in, and that holds it. I get a spare piece of pipe and a right angle. I put the pipe in the right angle in the wheel, hold it up 90 degrees, and what I'm doing is I'm lining the mark, which is 190 mils in, to the centre of the pipe that I put in, I'm using the right edge with. Once that lines up, like so, I'm ready to bend. On the bending machine, when the 15 mil is looking up towards me, the first black mark is 35 degrees, the next black mark, 45 degrees, and the last mark is 90. So I'm going to bend it right round to the 90. We have the handle, we're going to bend it by 35, 45, and then right over to the 90 degrees. And what I'm trying to do is, I'm trying to get the centre of the pipe to touch the bottom edge of the wheel. It says 90 degrees. Round about there, squeeze it, pump it back so I can stretch it. Take it out, make sure on a flat surface, 90 degrees. Move it down, and a bit over. All we do with that is from each end, stretch it out a bit, check it again, bit more, again. I can do the same thing if I haven't bent it enough. Sitting distance, a bit too much, stretch it back. Happy with that, it was down, and then I can check it with the one that I've made fitting. 190 mil long, follows the path, and check it with the one I did earlier. The exact same, and I haven't wasted any time. 90-degree bends on a machine.